Homestay Horn Lake, Southaven, Mississippi. While our address is Mississippi, we're only about 6 miles from Graceland and much more in Memphis, Tennessee. When you consider all that city has to offer plus the charm of our small town, you'll want to stay here again and again. Turn to us for a great dose of Southern hospitality just off I-55. Amenities that add to the quality of your experience here include free parking with plenty of space for large vehicles, free Wi-Fi, a business center, an outdoor pool when in season, and more. In your room, expect a fridge and microwave plus a 42 inches television, and plush bedding to help you settle in for a great night's sleep. Attractions nearby include Graceland, about 6 miles away, plus Latimer Lakes Park, the live music venues of Beale Street, Pink Palace Museum, Blues and Legends Hall of Fame Museum, the Memphis Queen Riverboat, and more. We're ready to serve both business and pleasure travelers. Please reach out to us now or book through this site for maximum availability at the best price. www.homestayhornlakems.com